my name is Faraz Ali Ahmed and I have completed my Masters in Business Administration from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I've completed my course, Digital Marketing course with Digital Vidya. And what I really appreciate is that we are getting hands-on experience, and they follow a learn by doing funda, in which we get practical assignments. We have to create our own websites, and while creating the website we get to implement all the learnings that we've learned from class, whether it is from search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, Google ads, meta ads, and so on. So this was something I really enjoyed, and I would recommend this to my friends and my family. Come and join and pursue your digital marketing career with Digital Vidya. Thank you.